Hello everyone. Today I am with another aptitude question, a quant question, and let's look at it. The question is, if x1 equal to -1 and xm equal to xm plus 1 plus m plus 1, a generic form they have given, for every positive integer m, then x100 equals what? We need to find the value of x100 given this generic case and the value x1 equal to -1, and we need to keep in mind that m is a positive integer, so it can't be 0 or any negative integer, it's only a positive integer. So I am going through a general common sense method to solve this problem. Just I will go with substitution of positive integers and try to find out if I could find any correlation among the values. The generic form is here, xm equal to xm plus 1 plus m plus 1. Now, since it is given that m is a positive integer, let me try by substituting 1 in place of m. Then it becomes x1 equal to x1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, and this will become to x1 equal to x2 plus 2. Similarly, if you substitute 2 in place of m, then this becomes x2 equals to x2 plus 1, that is x3 plus 3, and then it becomes, for x3 the value is x4 plus 4, and so on. If you want x100, it goes to x101 plus 101. But I think this method, to get value of x100, I need to find value of x101. So let me try to think differently. Here I have x1 equal to x2 plus 2. Based on this, x2 you can get as x1 minus 2. x1 value you have already got here, -1 minus 2. Now let me try interchanging variable of this. From this equation, x3 equal to x2 minus 3. x2 value is already here, which is -1 and -2, -1, -2, -3. And similarly for x4 you get x3 minus 4, which is -1, -2, -3, -4. You can find a pattern here. For x2 the values range up to 2, for x3 the values range up to 3, and for x4 the values range up to 4. So similar pattern for x100, the value range up to -1, -2, -3, -4, and so on up to -100. Here you can take minus as common in this sequence, and you get within the bracket 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, so on up to 100, which is the sum of first 100 natural numbers. Here there are two methods, like there is a formula which is like 1 plus 2 plus 3, so on up to n, like sum of n natural numbers is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2, where n is a natural number. Here n is 100, you can simply substitute 100 into 100 plus 1 by 2, minus is outside this bracket, and the value you get as -50, 50. And if you don't remember this formula, and if you want to generally calculate it, if you want to waste your time, like you can simply calculate it. You can go on adding all these 100 numbers. There is another small trick which makes your calculation easy, which is like you see this sequence 1 plus 100, the first and the last number, if you add, you get 101. 2 plus the number before it, it will be 99. 2 plus 99 will also be 101. Then 3 plus 98 will also be 101. Like that. You go up to half of this sequence, like 50, and the next half, starting number of next half, 51. 50 plus 51 will also be 101. So in total, you are getting 101 plus 101 plus 101, like that. How many times? 50 times. And that's what you get finally from this formula. 2, you divide 100 with 2, you get 50 times of 100. 2 plus 99, 3 plus 98, 4 plus 97, so on. The summation is 101 all the times, and you are pairing up numbers actually. So instead of 100 numbers, you get only 50 numbers. 50 times 101, which is what you get by substituting the n value in this formula. In examination, if you don't remember this formula, you can simply add it if you want to waste time, or try some logic like this to to make your addition simpler. And finally the answer is minus 5050. This is the generic formula, like as you have known, like sum of n natural numbers, n into n plus 1 by 2. Actually this is a CAT question. This is 2020, like 2020 CAT question of slot 3. It's a CAT quant question. The logic is very simple. Even with common sense you can solve this. If you don't know this formula, and even if you don't know this logic, then you need to go and add this and you end up this. But applying a little common sense, you get this concept very easier. That's all for today's video. Thank you.